Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing me for the first time, hi, hello, I'm Imelda Nzekwe. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you are a returning subscriber, you are highly welcome. Thank you for coming back. Always try to turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified each time I post a video. Guys, in today's video I'll be teaching you guys how to fix a contact lens on yourself by yourself. Yeah, you don't need to pay, you don't need to go anywhere for them to render the services on you. You can actually do it yourself. So if you are interested, which you should definitely be interested in, then you want to keep on watching. So guys, the contact lens I'll be working with today is from Freshlook. It's Freshlook contact lens. Yeah, and this is in Gemstone. Can you see? So yeah, that's the one I'll be working with today, and I just got it delivered like 2 days ago. So look at it. So this is what the inside looks like. This one right here is the solution. This one, yeah, this is the solution for the lens. That's the lens solution. And then this basically is a sulfate. It disinfects the protein. And then this one bears the contact lens. As you can see, this has my contact lens. Like I told you guys, I'll be working with Gemstone green. Yeah, I don't know if you can see it very well, but green. So this one right here is where you put the contact lens after putting it for the first time on your eye. Like the one I used to have didn't come with solution, so I had to like get this, and I bought extra solution for it so that each time I make use of them, I'll just put them out and put here. So this one has right and left, yeah, as you can see. So the R stands for right and the L stands for the left. So if you remove the contact lens, or rather if you fix it for the first time on your right, then once you remove it, you put it back into this right hand side with the solution inside. Then the left one, once you remove it from your left eye, then you do what? You put it back inside. So I hope I am understood. So let's just, oh yeah, so this is both the inserter and the remover. Look at what the inserter looks like. Yeah, this is the inserter and this is the remover. So that is basically it for what it's just like an introduction. Yeah, so this is my lens. I don't know if you can see it here. So I'm just basically gonna open it up. It's still very sealed, as you can see. Please ignore this stuff on my palm. I'm just coming back from lectures, so you know how, you know. So, ow, man, this is very sharp. I just got myself wounded. Okay, so basically I'm just gonna open this up. So this is actually very hard to open, so if you are to open it, just be very careful, because as you can see, the stuff just got me wounded right now. So that's by the way. So you just open this, just got opened. Then you pick it up with this picker or remover. You pick it up, you pick the lens up. Can I see you, babe? I don't know if you can see what I'm doing, but I'm trying to pick the lens. Here you go. This is my lens. I'm just gonna put it here so that I will get the container ready. So here we go. So I'm just gonna open this one right here, open this up. Okay, see, it's still very neat. Then I'm gonna drop my contact lens. I'm gonna pick it up again and drop it right inside. Then again, I'm using my solution. I'm gonna open this one up. Oh, okay, so I'm going to pour my solution inside it. Like this. I can't bend it because it's gonna pour away, so I just poured my solution inside it, and I'm going to use the cover to cover it. So I will just do the exact thing here. This one is still very much neat, so I'll do the exact thing here again. All right, guys, so the left one has a contact lens, and the right one has a contact lens too. So up next, I'm going to be using this to pick it up, to pick the lens up. I'm starting with the left. Let's start with the left. So here is my lens, and then I'll be using this, see, to put here. Okay, so remember, we are starting with the left. All right, guys, so I came closer so you'll be seeing what I'm doing, and then so that I'll be able to be seeing my mirror as well. So I have my contact lens right here, and I'm gonna drag my eye, with my hand. I'm going to practically drag this down, and then so guys this is okay, fine. As you can see, I bought this for a purpose. It's not like my formal contact lens, the one you guys used to pick my contact lens from here. So I'll drop it here, and I'll drag this down. Then you close your eyes, you look down, you look up, you look sideways so that it will set. You get, that's the essence. So basically, I'm gonna turn my eye, look down, look up, look sideways, and easy peasy. Okay, so that is basically it for fixing of contact lens. As you guys already know, there are several kinds of contact lenses that you can get. Even if you don't like this gemstone green, you can get green, you can get gray, you can get different colors of contact lens. So that is it. So guys, I'm definitely in love with this contact lens. This particular color, the gemstone green, or more, I like it. It's definitely helped me in creating a lot of creativity looks. So that is basically it for today's tutorial. If you love this video, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and thank you for watching to this extent. I love you guys. So guys, if you guys really want me to do a video of how I remove this contact lens from my eyes, then please, it's an easy peasy journey. So please do notify me on the comment section, and I will definitely do that for you guys. I love you guys. Yeah, please make sure to check out my other videos. Yeah, see you guys in my next video, and until then, stay loved, stay blessed, stay fabulous. I love you guys. Bye.